Yeah, this your boy Mr. GPS install. I'm doing that. Installation on 2008 Honda Santa Fe. See how I got cutters, screwdriver, tape, GPS. This is for Santa Fe. First thing we're gonna do is know how to do it. If you watch my previous videos, you already know how I get started. Get this loose. Remember, we only gonna use the red and the black wire. The rest of the wires I'm not gonna use. Gonna get our cutters. You're gonna cut that clip off there because you don't use that clip. Just need them wires. Skin them wires back like that. Tape the rest of these wires. You can get your tape. I'm gonna take the rest of these wires back. And I'll put them about right there, even with these other wires. And we want to take get it all taped. That's how it should look. I'm gonna take and plug up the box and key switch box. Sometimes you gotta spin around till you find where it go, but once you find where it go in there, just push in there. That's what it look like completed. Next, what we want to do is go in here and we'll pop out our code reader. It's simple, as you see, I pushed on the side. So clip on this side too. Push it out. It drops down just like that. Sometimes you can pull this fuse box off like that. You see it's behind here. This will give you more room to work with it, so you don't have to work with it up top. Pull it out to you. You don't look for a red, not black wire. On this case, you see you got two. This one might be different. It look like it could be the green one and the black one, so we're gonna try the green one. I always take my cigarette lighter and then burn it. Burn it so you can melt it back so you can expose the wire. Want to get it hot enough. Peel it back just like that. That's gonna be your hot ground on these two black ones here. If you can't get to the wire, I like to go up here where they taped it and pull that tape back. Sometimes it'll be a little sticky mess, but it's worth to get it back out your way. Pull your black wire out just like that. You want to do the same. You want to burn it. Just enough to expose it. And peel it back like that. Now you're going to take your plug. You're going to take your red and you're going to wrap your red around the green. You're going to take your black, wrap your black around the black. The other thing I do is before I tape them up, yes, I want to make sure that the GPS comes on. It's simple for the GPS. Take the side where the clip at, and the clip in the little notch, plug them up. Make sure it blinks red. It's blinking red, so that means the black wire. So now I want to wrap them up tight. Now you want to always take a little piece of tape and just put around the hot. Take this tape, put around the black. That's to make sure they don't touch. Then you want to wrap them all up. That's so it don't pull loose. And you want to pull the tape kind of tight too. Alright, now you want to plug it up using a notch and clip. Make sure that it has a great connection. If so, the red light will blink. Just like that. And this is installed. So now you just want to take this, flip it back in there. And it goes in just like you pulled it out, snap it back in there, and it'll snap into place. I'm gonna take your GPS and you wanna put your real right in there. You wanna hide it under here, under the dash. is take it right up towards the top. First, I'm gonna take this. Always put it on this thing so they be able to put it in up here. Like that. GPS, and I'm gonna run it up towards the top. Like that. You hide it out the way. Make sure this is clipped down in here. If you push it back in and it won't clip down, sometimes you can have it backwards. So all you do is spin it. Good morning. Doing all right this morning? Yep, it's on the snap back in. Take your sticker. As you're reading, and you're gonna put it in the door. Open spot. Okay. And that's the complete. That's the GPS installed.